Okay, here's what traders are keeping an eye on this week, and it's a busy one. Retail earnings are front and center. Walmart's reporting Thursday, which will be a big read on how tariffs are hitting shoppers and what that could mean for holiday spending. Earlier in the week, we'll hear from Home Depot on Tuesday and Lowe's on Wednesday, giving a look on how contractors and homeowners are spending, especially on renovations. Target also reports on Wednesday, and expectations are for a sharp drop in earnings. Investors will be looking closely at leadership questions too, since longtime CEO Brian Cornell is retiring. And on top of that, Macy's, Estee Lauder, TJX, and Ross stores all report, which could give more clues on how slowing consumer demand and tariffs are affecting retail. Tech and healthcare earnings are packed in as well. Analog devices on Wednesday could show whether chip demand is bouncing back, though autos might be a weak spot. Medtronic on Tuesday gives a look into medical device demand and its outlook going into 2026. Then on Thursday, Workday, Intuit, and Zoom all report, highlighting trends in cloud software, tax tools, and AI-driven communications. On the macro side, it's a huge week. The Jackson Hole Symposium runs from Thursday through Saturday, with this year's theme focused on labor markets. Fed Chair Jerome Powell speaks Friday, and his comments could easily move markets. Before that, the Fed releases meeting minutes Wednesday. We'll also hear from several Fed officials. Raphael Bostic speaks twice, Michelle Bowman is on Tuesday, and Christopher Waller on Wednesday. Data is heavy too. Housing starts hits Tuesday and existing home sales Thursday, both expected to soften. Flash PMIs come out Thursday and should show a cooling in both manufacturing and services. Jobless claims that day is also expected to tick higher, hinting at a little more stress in the labor market. Globally, Canada reports inflation Tuesday and retail sales Friday. Japan reports CPI data Thursday, Germany reports PPI Wednesday, and GDP on Friday. And in Europe, we'll also get ECB minutes and consumer confidence numbers Thursday. So bottom line, it's retail earnings, Jackson Hole, and a ton of economic data. Easily one of the biggest weeks of the summer, and the markets will definitely be moving. So make sure to follow us so you can stay on top of this crazy week ahead.